Welcome to Hello English Teacher. Today let's look at the MCQs from class 10 grammar and writing. If you are watching my video for the first time, please subscribe. You can listen to the explanations of chapters from classes 10, 11 and 12 English. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a video. Let's move on to the video now. So now let's look at the grammar section, grammar and writing section from class 10 question paper. From the questions from this section will be from number 19 to 30. So you will have 12 questions from which you will have to answer about 10 of them. So let's look at the questions now. From grammar, let's look at the first question. I don't want coffee, thank you. So what are the options? Some, any, little and few. So the answer is I don't want any coffee, thank you. So let's look at the second question. Dash you post this letter for me please. So the options are must, will, shall and need. So the best option is will you post this letter for me please. So the answer is will. So next question is a pair of socks been missing from my wardrobe. So have, has, where, is. So the answer is has, because a pair is considered as one. So the answer is has. A pair of socks has been missing from my wardrobe. So let's look at the next question. Had the police not reached there in time, the bandits dash him. Did have killed, will have killed, would kill, would have killed. So the best answer is would have killed. Had the police not reached there in time, the bandits would have killed him. So let's look at the next question. Which option displays the correct change of the following to reported speech? So the statement is, how much will you pay for this cow? Jack asked the strange man. So the options are given. Jack asked the strange man how much he would pay for that cow. Jack asked the strange man how much would he pay for that cow. Jack asked the strange man how much would he pay for this cow. Jack asked the strange man how much he will pay for that cow. So all the changes have been done, and you know what are the changes? So the correct answer is Jack asked the strange man how much he would pay for that cow. So next question is also a reported speech question. Which option displays the correct change of the following to reported speech? Mrs. Shankar said, I know what it is to be depressed. So Mrs. Shankar knows what it is to be depressed. Mrs. Shankar is depressed, she said. Mrs. Shankar said that she was knowing what it is to be depressed, and Mrs. Shankar said that she knew what it was to be depressed. So with all the changes having done, the correct answer is Mrs. Shankar said that she knew what it was to be depressed. Let's look at the writing section. Answer any 5 out of the 6 questions given with reference to the context below. Pavan or Pooja Ashwati Avasti reads the news item on the next page in the Daily Times about the increasing number of crimes committed by the teenagers. Teen crimes stun city. The last few months have witnessed a spate of crimes committed by school children, including thefts and kidnappings. The recent cases have revealed that it's either greed or uncontrollable anger, frustration that leads to crimes. The driving thought that some youngsters today have is, if he has it, why can't I? For others, it is to maintain lifestyle or just to show off. I was Nihal Nair, 13 years of Victoria High School. Anger has engulfed teenagers. There is a lot of frustration because of unrealistic parental expectations and societal demands as well. Here is a given letter to the editor of Daily Times from Pavan and Pooja, expressing his or her views about the news. So you know that in the writing section you have this letter to editor. So look at the format. You can see that the receiver's address or the sender's address is on the top without the name. Then comes the date, and then comes the receiver's address, and then the subject. So there are blanks there, and the questions are asked as per what has to come in those places. Now you can see the body of the letter along with the salutation. Sir, this is with reference to a report recently published in the Daily Times regarding which is a matter of grave concern. The recent cases have revealed that teenagers are youngsters today also have an if he has it why can't I attitude and want to just show off. There's a lot of frustration because of unrealistic parental expectations and societal demands. And so now you can see the second part of the letter. Isn't it time that society wakes up and took notice of the situation? It should be made mandatory for schools and colleges to have counselors. Moreover, yoga and meditation in order to relax their minds so that teenagers lose their anger and frustration. So yours sincerely, Pooja or Pavan Avasti. So this kind of format you see for the letter to the editor is called the block format, where all the contents are aligned to the left side near the margin. So there is no indentation required and everything starts from the margin itself. So this is very important. So you can now let's look at the options given for the various blanks. So number 7, it is complete the letter by choosing the most appropriate option, the editor, the doctor, the minister, the scientist. For number 8, it is increasing anxiety among children. It should be the subject. Increasing crime among children, increasing jealousy among children, increasing competition among children. So now let's look at the next options for the next blanks. For number 9, it is noise pollution in the city, quarrels between school students, recent spate of crimes committed by the school children, including thefts and kidnappings, none of these. And for 10, it is driven by unethical means, driven by greed or uncontrollable anger, consuming drugs, none of these. So let's look at the next options. 11, with whom students can play, with whom students can eat tasty dishes, with whom students can discuss their problems, none of these. And for number 12, it is courses should be started in schools, extra classes should be started in schools, sports competition should be started in schools, none of these. So now whenever you are writing an answer for the letter writing, you need to read the question thoroughly. So what is the question telling you? So from that you will always get the cues to fill in the blanks. So now let's look at the first part of the letter. So you can see the sender's address, then you can see the date and then the receiver's address. So when you write the receiver's address, it's always first line is always the editor, followed by that name of the newspaper and followed by the address, and then comes the subject. Here subject, the correct subject is increasing crime among children. So now let's look at the body part and let's fill up the blanks there. So number 9 is recent spate of crimes committed by school children, including thefts and kidnappings. For number 10, it is driven by greed or uncontrollable anger. So next one, second half of the letter, the blanks are 11, with whom students can discuss their problems, and 12, courses should be started in schools. And then after that you can see the closing, it is yours sincerely and then the name. What you have to remember in the closing place is only Y is going to be capital, all others are small letters, and there is no apostrophe near R or S. So yours sincerely or yours truly can be written for the editor. So the format you have to be very clear, and this is called the block format. So now let's look at some of questions from the grammar section. A large number of soldiers died for the country. A large number of soldiers have died, because we are talking about large numbers, so it will be have. So this is from subject verb concord. So you have to be very correct with the number. Now next question, when I was a child I to school every day instead of going by cycle. So it's talking about something that has happened in the past. So the answer should be a simple past. When I was a child I walked to school every day instead of going by cycle. So here's a question from models. My sister is very weak, she run fast. So weak, obviously it says it cannot. So my sister is very weak, she cannot run fast. So next one, how money do you spend on new clothes? So how much money do you spend on new clothes? So why are we using much? Much is used for uncountable nouns and many is used for countable nouns. So the answer is much. So here is a question from reported speech. Which option displays the correct change of the following to reported speech? The captain said to his men, fall into line. So the captain, so you can understand that he might be giving some order or command. So you can use the reporting verb accordingly. So the options are: the captain commanded his men to fall into line, the captain warned his men to fall into line, the captain told his men, the captain said to his men. So the correct answer here is the captain commanded his men to fall into line. So let's look at the next question. Which option displays the correct change? Again, he said to her, why didn't you put on the brakes? So it's like a question. So you can say the options are: he asked her why she hadn't put on the brakes, he asked her why she didn't put on the brakes, he asked her that why she hadn't put on the brake, and he told her why she hadn't put on the brake. So the statement is already in the past tense. So when you change it to the reported speech, you must put it into the past perfect tense. So that's why we are using hadn't. So here the correct answer is: he asked her why she hadn't put on the brakes. So now questions from the writing section. You are Raman or Priya, a resident of 404 Indrapuram, Ghaziabad, UP. Residents of your sector are worried and in trouble due to the open manholes, for they lead to deadly accidents. Write a letter to the editor of a national daily, Ghaziabad, highlighting the issues and suggesting ways to sort out the problem. So let's look at the questions. Here's the first question. Which of the following is the correct sender's address? So the editor, Hindustan Times, Ghaziabad, 404 Indrapuram, Ghaziabad, neither A nor B, only A. So we know that the answer is 404 Indrapuram, Ghaziabad. So it should be written one below the other. So I have here given only a example. So you know how to write it correctly. So the answer is B. So let's look at the next question. Select the correct subject. So benefits of open manholes, problem of open manholes, request for opening of manholes, none of these. So it's very easy question here. So here the answer is B, problem of open manholes. So now next question, question number 21. Which one of the following is the most suitable salutation for this letter? Salutation means how we address the receiver. So which one of the following is suitable? Dear editor, dear and lovable sir, dear sir, none of these. So answer is none of these. You have to either write sir or madam, or you have to write sir/madam. Both are fine, but that is not given here. So that is why none of these. So next question. How will you sign off this letter? So how will you conclude the letter? The closing part. Yours sincerely, Raman or Priya. With love, Raman or Priya. A concerned citizen, Raman Priya, or yours faithfully, Raman Priya. So it is always better to use the word yours sincerely or yours truly to a person whom you do not know. So the editor is an unknown person, so you have to use the word yours sincerely, Raman Priya. Okay, so that is the answer. So next question. Which of the following ways would you suggest to solve the problem? To display policemen at the manholes, to cover all manholes with newspapers, to cover all manholes with plastic, or none of these. So all these are not the ways to cover up the manhole, so they are not even a good suggestion. So none of these. So now let's look at the last question from this. So select the appropriate option that is the most suitable opening for the letter. Okay. So through the columns of your esteemed newspaper with reference to your advertisement in the Times of India. This is to inquire about the school fee, none of these. So the best way to always write a letter or the starting line to the editor is through the columns of your esteemed newspaper. I would like to highlight the problem of, and then you can start explaining the problem and finally conclude by giving some suggestion or asking the concerned authorities to take the necessary action. So here the answer is A. So I hope you liked today's video. For more informative videos, do subscribe to Hello English Teacher, like, share and give your valuable comments below. Thank you for watching.